Swissquote, one of the most popular investment platforms in Switzerland, but is it really beginner-friendly or are the fees worth it? I've used Swissquote for quite some years and I've also tried quite a few of other platforms. Here is my honest review. I'm Charlene and this is the channel where I share my 10 years investing experience with you all for free. Like and subscribe for more. Swissquote is one of the biggest online investment platforms in Switzerland. Actually, most people know it as a stockbroker. But lately, I noticed something interesting. Swissquote is trying so hard to position or promote themselves more as a bank, not just a broker. And that makes sense, right? As a bank, you can offer a wider range of services. You can offer loan, mortgage, credit card, and so much more. So when I saw their advertisement at Zurich Hauptbahnhof, it didn't say just online broker. It said Swissquote, the online Swiss bank. So at the end of the day, it's just a marketing move, right? But one that shows they are really extending their image. So Swissquote was founded in 1996, so it's been there around over 25 years. It's not a startup, it is a public company listed on the Swiss Stock Exchange and is fully regulated by FINMA, Switzerland's financial authority. And that means your money is protected under Swiss law. And you can invest in ETFs, stocks, funds, bonds, and even crypto through Swissquote. And the platforms work well on both web and mobile. And it's available in several languages, including English, so very beginner friendly. So who is actually using Swissquote? It is actually quite popular among professionals living in Switzerland, especially those who want a safe, Swiss-based platform. So many beginners love it because it's really easy to use. Expats also like it because it avoids the tax hassles that can come with foreign brokers. And now I will dig into the pros and cons. Okay, now let's talk about what Swissquote does well. And honestly, there's a lot to like, especially if you're just getting started. One, it is really Swiss regulated and trustworthy. So Swissquote, by the name you know, is based in Switzerland. It's regulated by FINMA, like we just mentioned, and listed on the Swiss Stock Exchange. I know many Swiss users, they love it. It's not just because of safety, but out of national pride, I would say. It's a little bit like people would prefer to go to Migros or Coop to shop instead of, going to Aldi or Lidl. You know what I mean? And they want to support the local economy and they trust Swiss quality. Swissquote offers that same reassurance, I would say, strong oversight and peace of mind. Two, it is really beginner friendly and simple to use. The platform is very clean and easy to navigate. If you're new to investing, it will not overwhelm you. You can buy ETFs, stocks, and funds in just a few clicks. And honestly, it is very easy to use and it's easier than most of other platforms. Three, everything in one place. So basically, you can invest in global markets, stocks, bonds, and funds, buy crypto, and even manage your Pillar 3A with Swissquote app. I personally, to be really honest, I do not use it for crypto or Pillar 3A, but the fact that you actually can do it just in one place, I know some people who love consolidation, probably for them is a plus. Four, they really have helpful, responsive customer support. So they offer support in multiple languages, including English. And unlike foreign brokers, you're talking to someone actually based in Switzerland. So their live support actually during Zurich hours always been, I would say pretty quick and quite helpful in my own experience. Five, smooth banking integration and I would say easier tax reporting. So for a lot of people, actually, this is super, 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 super important. So transferring money is simple, just using your IBAN, right? And a tax reporting is more straightforward, especially if you live in Switzerland. I know actually a lot of people, they choose Swissquote specifically for the ease of tax reporting. Okay, now let's talk about the downside. So before we move on to the next point, I just wanted to say if so far this video is making sense to you, I would love to invite you to my free investment masterclass. I will show you exactly how I built a 7-figure investment portfolio and quit my job with a very simple investment strategy, and how you can do it too. So spots are limited, so make sure to sign up now. Link is in the description area. Okay, now let's talk about the downsides. So because as much as you may like Swissquote, it's not perfect. 1. Higher fees compared to global platforms. So Swissquote is not the cheapest option for sure. You pay higher transaction fees than other platforms, for example, like Interactive Brokers or Saxo. And there's also a quarterly custody fee for just simply holding your assets for long-term investors, and these costs could add up quite a bit over the long term. So if lower fees is your really top priority, so Swissquote may not be the best fit for you. So check their website for the most up-to-date fee structure. And secondly, it's not ideal for frequent trading. So if you want to trade often, so for example, you buy and sell quickly, like weekly or even daily, Swissquote can get expensive very quickly. So personally, I don't recommend short-term trading at all. I also don't teach it because to me, short-term trading is like gambling. It is something that you are considering. I know Swissquote's fee model just isn't built for high frequent trading. It's more for long-term buy and hold investors. And 3, I would say the mobile app is quite basic. So while the app is clean and works really well for simple trades, I actually really like it. So it's not as advanced as some other global platforms, so you will not get deep analytics or powerful portfolio tracking tools. So it is really good for beginners, but limited for advanced users. And 4, I would say their custody fee, like we just mentioned, they charge you even when you're inactive. So even if you don't trade at all, Swissquote still charges a custody fee for just holding your asset. So I would say in terms of custody fee, it's definitely cheaper or a lot cheaper than big banks like UBS or ZKB. But some brokers, they don't charge custody fees at all. So it is something to be aware of, especially if you're just getting started with a very small amount. Okay, so now let me share my own experience. So today, actually, I have over 1 million Swiss francs invested through Swissquote. And I know it's not perfect, but I've stayed with it for a reason. First, I really love how simple it is. I don't need any really fancy, deep analytics or some fancy dashboards. And I just want to invest, review my portfolio, and move on with my day. And Swissquote does it perfectly. And second, the tax reporting is much easier. I really don't like spending hours figuring out tax documents. And with Swissquote, it's much more straightforward, especially when filing taxes in Switzerland. So for me, that alone just saves me time and stress. And yes, it costs a little bit more than the other platforms, like we just mentioned. But I'm actually happy to pay slightly higher fees if it means saving my time, if it means I can get support from them, from their customer service quickly. So if actually after the pros and cons, you decide Swissquote is the right fit for you, actually you can use my promote code. So WCW6Z6, I will put it also in the description area. So you can get actually 100 Swiss franc in trading credit. And remember, my friend, the investment platform is actually just a tool. Your investment strategy is actually way more important than the investment platform. So if you want help creating your investment strategy, join my free investment masterclass where I will teach you how to invest with clarity and confidence. No finance background needed. The sign up link is in the description area. I will see you there.